One issue Rover 75s can suffer from is corrosion of this alloy piece, which is coated in rubber, which is just at the top of the back door, and it can look pretty untidy. They're not available new, but I managed to pick up a couple of second hand ones a wee while ago. I did the other side a couple of years ago, but now that this one is freezing up on the inside, the door card needs to come off anyway, so I think we'll replace this as well. So the first thing you need to do is take the door card off, obviously. So pop that out, and there's a screw behind there, and you need to pop out the switch back as well. Let's get that done. Okay, so that's the switch pack out, and you just need to pull the plug out. Now this is a bit difficult to get off. As you can see, I did not manage to get that off without breaking the clips. A bit of blue tack or some glue to hold it back on is probably all that's required. Bit disappointed I didn't manage to get that off without breaking. I don't usually break them, but there we go. The outside of it's okay. Get rid of them. The outside of it's okay. So the next thing we need to do is unhook the cable. The cable is held on by this little hook, so you just need to remember when you hook it back in, this is actually twisted round about 90 degrees. The hook needs to point down the way. So that twists back round, that twists back round, and the hook points down the way. So we'll get that off. And the next thing we need to do is pop off all the clips all the way around. I'm going to actually just leave that on, because I think that might actually just be able to pull through and make things a lot easier. We'll give it a try and see what happens. Right, that's all those clips released. It's a good idea to have a set of these. Some of these have been really good. They don't actually look that strong, but they do bend a bit, but they're actually pretty strong. And also look at all these bits. That is the bits of this strip. It's got a steel inner membrane. That's all the bits started to fall out as I released this. Now, Haynes' manual doesn't tell you this. There's a big massive clip in the middle of the door card. I covered this in one of my other videos. Now the way to get this off, you don't pull it out because you'll just break it. You actually pull the door card up the way and it should come off. I'll show you how to do it. So what should happen is you should just pull the whole thing up, just grab it by the handle, make sure all the clips are definitely off. Just unclip that. There we go. So as you can see, that has rotted away. It's just aluminium though, looks worse than it is. Once we take that off, that'll be it gone. Let's see if we can get this off without too much for it. There's that elbow. Ah, okay, we need a wee screwdriver. This is going to make a mess. Get a nick of that. That is destroyed. But thankfully, as you can see, the door behind it isn't too bad. So we'll wash that one. Here's the new one. That's what it should look like. As you can see, all nice. Look at all this shit that's come off it as well. What a mess. I need to sweep up. That went in alright. Good as new. That gives it a much better appearance. Now what we're going to do as well is we're going to peel this back, because I need to spray the door mechanisms inside because it keeps freezing up. I'll put a link to another video I've got on how to do that, so we'll get that done. So what you do with this here is you just squeeze that and then pull this off. Right, so here's the clip. That's not focusing. That's the clip. So that just went on like that. Pull it off, and then what you want to do Let's go over it. Now it's got kind of slopey bits there, so it's easy to guide onto that sprue thing. So all you do is you just clip that on there like that. Oh, that's the wrong way around. I'm facing, sorry, that way, because it's the way it's coming in. And that way you can just bosh the door card straight on, dead easy. Right, that's everything back together of a fashion. As you can see, that looks a lot better. Fortunately, I broke the clips on that, so that's held in with blue tack now, which is annoying. And also you'll notice that isn't there, because if anybody knows how to get that to stay in place, there's a green sort of slot in the back of the lock inside the door, but it wouldn't stay there. So every time I put the door card on, it just fell in. It doesn't do anything as such. You can still open the door from the inside and the outside, but it'd be good to get that in. So if anybody knows, let me know. I also sprayed the door inside as well, so hopefully that should stop it freezing. I just used some of that after some WD-40. Use some of that. Hopefully that'll work.